Yo, wagwan everybody, welcome back to another vlog. So this is a continuation for yesterday's vlog where I got the car lowered. I wasn't able to get much footage yesterday because it was crazy bad weather yesterday in Florida. So I'm gonna show you guys how the car looks. But right now, I'm heading to Dynamic Muffler in Melbourne, and I'm thinking about getting a muffler delete on the car. I've been researching for quite a long time, listening to different people's clips. As you all know, I have the 3.3 twin turbo. So I'm just trying to get a little bit more than it being just quiet, you feel me? And then once I decide whether or not I'm gonna pull the trigger on actually doing the muffler delete, I'm gonna, get some cleaning stuff, get the car ready for Clean Culture, which is tomorrow, March 12th, at the Silver Spurs Arena. Stay tuned for that vlog because I'll be vlogging for that one. That's about to be crazy. So let's see how the day goes. I will get the car cleaned, get the car detailed, see if I can get that muffler delete, and I'll see you then. Peace. Alright guys, we have arrived. Alright guys, I'm at the Dynamic Muffler shop here in Melbourne. He's gonna pull the car on and we'll see what we can do. Let's see if we can get this on. She made it on. Alright guys, the reason why I'm only doing a muffler delete is because I want to keep the resonators in for now to see how it sounds. I don't want it to be too raspy or ricey, so yeah, that's why. One side down. Next side. Alright. Muffler delete is all done. As you can see, he just did one straight pipe into this one right here, into this tip, and all the way across. Alright, it's almost the time for Moment of Truth, my first startup. too obnoxious, not too raspy. Just the way I like it. Hey guys, so I'm currently filming the outro a couple days after I filmed this video. I didn't get a chance to film the outro. It's been a crazy couple of days, you know, getting the car ready for clean culture, which was on this Saturday that passed, and getting some stuff in line for the show. But yeah, this is the outro. So I got the car load. I got the muffler delete done. The car sounds great. It pops and bangs like crazy. I didn't do the resonator, so I didn't do a full delete because I didn't want the cabin drone to be too obnoxious. So I just went ahead and just did the muffler delete, and it sounds great. It's not too obnoxious. It's just the right amount of sound. As you can see in the clips that I put in this video, I'm going to try and get some better clips that make you hear the pops and bangs so you can have an idea of what it really sounds like. But yeah, let me know what you think about the car in the comments below. You know, I got the fitment on point. The car sounds great. I got a lot of stuff coming for the car. You know, my next move might be the carbon fiber steering wheel. And I have a bunch more stuff coming for this vehicle. So if you like this build, drop a comment below, like this video so it pushes my video into the algorithm. It helps me out a lot. Thank you all. For those who have subscribed to the channel, you're helping me out a bunch. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.